In this connection, I should like to point out to this House that under the Constitution, as it was promulgated, we had a classification or category of states known as Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D also, so far as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands were concerned. And naturally, on account of this particular gradation, the rights as also the functions of the various states and the legislatures therein have differed to a considerable extent. Now it was considered that the time had come when this classification ought to disappear. In 1947-48, as the House is aware, we had the integration of states, and all these states, either singly or in groups, were brought under the category of Part B states. Part C states were such where it was considered that there ought to be a more direct relation, in the sense that they ought to be under the superintendence and control of the President on account of a variety of reasons. The case of Andaman and Nicobar Islands was one by itself. After the administration extending over 7 or 8 years, it is now considered that this classification ought to go, and therefore the States Reorganization Commission also recommended the dissolution of this distinction. Therefore, from now onwards, we shall have states of one category, and there would be 14 states. These states are composed of the former Part A and Part B states and also portions of Part C states, so far as they have been merged in the other states. Therefore, under the present category, we shall have only the states and the union territories. So far as the union territories are concerned, there will be 3 further categories of territories according to the way in which they have been treated. We shall have, for example, Delhi as a union territory by itself, and certain special provisions have been made, as I shall be elaborating soon, so far as the administration of Delhi is concerned. Then we have got Himachal Pradesh, then we have Manipur and Tripura. So these 4 are union territories by themselves. In addition to them, we shall have 2 further classes of territories. Therefore, so far as these 3 categories of territories are concerned, certain provisions have been made in the present Constitution 7th Amendment Bill. But I would point out to this House that some further legislation in this respect will have to be brought before the House, because it is necessary that a lasting arrangement will have to be made in the near future so far as these 2 categories of states are concerned.